Hey everybody, Dr. Marc Lai here, one of the clinical ambassadors at Dental Advisor. Today we have a very exciting unboxing video of Kuraray Noritake's newest product, CLEARFIL Majesty ES Flow Universal. It's a universal flowable that comes in two universal shades, a universal and a universal dark, and it's supposed to cover all 16 Vita shades. It's indicated for every cavity class situation 1 through 5, and it's something I'm looking very much forward to trying out. So without saying any more, let's get into the unboxing. All right, so like we said earlier, it comes in two standard shades, a universal and a universal dark. Let's get started on the unboxing. All right, so let's go ahead and open the universal first. We've got our standard instructions. We've got our 2.7 gram, 1.5 milliliter syringe, and 15 disposable syringe tips. Pretty standard stuff. Same thing here, I would assume. Denoted by the UD for the dark shade. Again, instructions and our disposable tips. All right, everybody, so we've gone ahead and gotten organized, and let's go ahead and try out the material. So let's put a couple tips on the syringes. One on the universal and one on the universal dark. And let's go ahead and just express a little bit here on my glove. Really nice flowability. That's the universal, and here's the universal dark. So you can kind of see the contrast there. Let's go ahead and cure it. All right, well, there you have it. I've got the cured pieces here, but Kuraray says very, very durable, very high filler content, making it indicated in just about every direct clinical situation. You can use it as a cavity base or a liner. You can use it in cavity classes 1 through 5. It can work in pretty much any situation. With regards to indirect, Kuraray says you can use it to repair intraoral porcelain. You can use it for the cementation of veneers or indirect inlays and onlays, which have a thickness of less than 2 millimeters. Thanks so much for tuning in. On behalf of everyone at Dental Advisor, we really appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you at the next unboxing.